Looking for a healthy after-meal mouth freshener? Stop buying sugary mouth fresheners. Try this healthy homemade Muquas instead. It supports digestion, freshens your breath, and is completely sugar-free. Let's get started. Main ingredients: healthy and traditional combination. White sesame seeds, lightly dry roast them before mixing. They are rich in calcium and give the mouth freshener a wonderful nutty flavor. Flax seeds are excellent for digestion. Dry roast them over low heat until they start making a popping sound. Carom seeds, ajwain. Ajwain is considered a blessing for the stomach. Add only a small amount of roasted ajwain, for example 1/2 teaspoon, for every 2 to 3 teaspoons of fennel seeds, to the mouth freshener. 2. For natural aroma and flavor. Green cardamom seeds. Even without sugar, they provide a naturally sweet aroma and refreshing taste to the mouth freshener. Dried rose petals. Crush them gently with your hands before mixing. They also make the mouth freshener look beautiful and leave a fresh taste in your mouth. Cinnamon powder. Add just a small pinch of cinnamon powder. Even without sugar, it gives a naturally mild sweetness and is also very beneficial for health. The correct method to prepare it. Roast the fennel, sesame, and flax seeds. In a pan, dry roast the fennel seeds, white sesame seeds, and flax seeds separately, or one after another, over low heat for 2 to 3 minutes. Roasting removes their moisture and helps them stay crunchy for a longer time. Cool them down, transfer all the roasted ingredients to a plate, and let them cool completely. Mix everything. Once cooled, add the roasted coriander dal, green cardamom seeds, dried rose petals, and a pinch of cinnamon powder. Mix everything well. Store, transfer the mixture into a clean, dry, airtight glass jar. This sugar-free mouth freshener will support healthy digestion after meals, and the savory taste of roasted coriander dal, combined with fennel seeds, makes it incredibly delicious. It will prove to be extremely beneficial for gut health. This traditional sugar-free mouth freshener is not only meant to freshen your mouth, but also works like an excellent natural digestive remedy for your stomach. Every single ingredient included in it helps strengthen your digestive system. How does it support gut health? Fennel seeds. Fennel contains medicinal essential oils that relax the muscles of the stomach and intestines. This helps reduce gas, acidity, and bloating immediately after meals. Coriander dal. In Ayurveda, coriander is considered cooling and soothing for the stomach. It helps reduce stomach burning and provides relief from indigestion. Ajwain, carom seeds. Ajwain contains a compound called thymol, which activates the digestive enzymes in the stomach. Even heavy meals become easier to digest with its use. Flax seeds. Flax seeds are rich in dietary fiber. They nourish the good bacteria in the gut and help relieve constipation naturally. Cinnamon. Cinnamon helps reduce inflammation in the stomach and supports protection against intestinal infections. The biggest advantage of being sugar-free. When we eat sweet mouth fresheners, the sugar becomes food for the harmful bacteria in the gut, which can negatively affect gut health. However, with this sugar-free combination, the natural balance of your gut remains healthy. Chewing just 1 teaspoon immediately after meals stimulates saliva production, allowing the digestion process to begin naturally right from the mouth. Supports healthy digestion naturally. Helps reduce gas and bloating after meals. May help relieve acidity and indigestion. Rich in dietary fiber for better gut health. Helps nourish the good bacteria in your gut. May support regular bowel movements. Rich in calcium from white sesame seeds. Supports strong bones and teeth. Contains healthy fats and natural antioxidants. Helps freshen your breath naturally. Made without refined sugar. A healthier alternative to sweet mouth fresheners. Made